Hi guys, how are you? This is Cyber with Khalifa. This is a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install MISP. MISP is a threat intelligence, and how you gonna install MISP in your environment as a Docker, because we prefer always working with containers because it's the easiest way to install and have a stable MISP, so you can have like you have a virtual machine in a virtual machine. So enough talking. I'm gonna show you the first of all. I'm gonna show you what is MISP. So I have like something to show here. Like you see here, MISP. Like I said, it's uh, like this. So MISP is open source tool licensed under the A4 General Public License, maintained and funded primarily by the Computer Incident Response Center Luxembourg. What MISP do today? MISP is used many certs and SOC in CSIRT and the SOC. It's the environment where SOC analysts work, and whether the community information sharing project or strategy to manage indicator of compromise. Indicator of compromise, it's all of IPs, hashes, domain that indicate that this IP or this domain it's malicious, it's suspicious, etc., etc. Okay, so we're gonna work MISP today. I'm gonna show you how to install MISP. In the next episode, I'm gonna show you how to integrate MISP with Wazoo. Wazoo, it's SIEM, security event information management, and we're gonna talk about Chiara and Sigma the episode coming. So enough talking. What we're gonna do today, like I said, we're gonna start by installing. For me, I installed everything. It's gonna be a little video. I have my MISP here. Okay, so what I did the first of all, what we did, we create a folder, MISP. To create a folder, you do mkdir MISP. So in this, I have MISP Docker. So for this, what you're gonna do, first of all, you have to install this in your machine where you want to install MISP. You have to install all of this. Okay, for me, I did all of this. No need to do this. Okay, it's like apt package. We need this to let the things work. Okay, so use we're gonna use this following command. So for information, we're gonna use docker compose. So we have dockers like this, and we can manage those docker. Okay, because like you see here, I have multiple of uh, docker. I have Wazoo, I have Iris, I have N8N, I have MISP. So you gonna work, if you like me work with a lot of container. It's the best way is to have a docker compose installed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna inject this command. I'm gonna put you the medium blog in the description so you can follow with me. So we're gonna use this. Okay, sorry, 1 second. We're gonna use this command. Okay, so we can install Docker in our Debian, in our Ubuntu, and after we do sudo apt update and install our Docker compose and Docker, so we can work and launch Docker. So to build the image, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna use this link. It's a GitHub link, and after you do this, you're gonna have something like this. Okay, MISP Docker. You're gonna go to your MISP Docker. Okay, and you're gonna have those files. Okay, what you're gonna do, the first of all, we're gonna go to our .env. I'm gonna use the VS Code to this. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it's work, because the best that you use uh, you use VS Code to edit the .env. It's the environment file. So we're gonna go to our environment file. Okay, and what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna put our admin email, our organization, our UID. You generate this in your machine, or you just go to Google Chrome and tell generate UID v4. Put a password. I put password here and your base URL. Okay, it's important here to put the core HTTP port. For me, the 433, I use this to Wazoo, so you have to change this. If you don't change this, you're gonna have a lot of of you're gonna have a lot of problem. Okay, so what you're gonna go also, you have your Docker Compose file. You have to verify that all good. For me, I changed the port because I'm not gonna use like the basic port, because like I said, I used the 4332 Wazoo, so we're gonna put it like this. If you don't have any Docker that run, or any servers that run under 433 or 443, go ahead, use your like per default. And after this, I'm gonna do Docker Compose apt-d, and you're gonna have your MISP. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna go for your MISP. For me, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my env file. 1 second. I'm gonna go to my env file. I'm gonna look for the base URL. 1 second. Oh, yes. Okay, it's here. My base URL. I'm gonna go to here. Okay. I'm gonna wait second, and here we have our tick, and you have our MISP, and we can log in and see the IOCs, the IP, and all of those things. So um, what you're gonna do here, you're not gonna have myth like me. So you're gonna go to your sync action, and you're gonna go to import feeds. 1 second. You're gonna go to feeds. Okay, import feeds from JSON, and I'm gonna give you this. You're gonna use this GitHub. Okay, you're gonna use this GitHub. I'm gonna copy all of this. It's like the database exists in the internet all over the world. So we're gonna use this, so we have a database, because per default we don't have a database. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this here and fetch the data. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here like this. It's a blog medium. You're gonna go here and fetch and store all data. Okay, for me, what I did for uh, for keys, like API keys, you have list of keys. You're gonna generate your key. Okay, so it's like this. It's really simple. And after, you're gonna go to event action, list event, and here you're gonna have a lot of events. The idea of events, it's gonna help you after when you find something, you're gonna use this event ID. Okay, so it's really interesting to use MISP. I really advise everyone working in SAC use this one, because we can integrate this in Wazoo and other CM solution. So for today, we did in 10 minutes. It's good for me today. So see you next time. We're gonna integrate MISP with Wazoo. Thank you for watching and see you soon.